Asian markets mixed as trade spat in focus. Oil stabilizes file in this April 24, 2018, file photo. An American flag flies outside the New York Stock Exchange. Stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time on Wednesday, August 8. AP photo, Mary Altaffer, file, Seoul, South Korea. AP, Asian stock markets were mixed on Thursday with Chinese stocks outperforming the region, as investors watched the latest developments on trade. Prices of oil stabilized. Keeping score, Japan's Nikkei 225 fell 0.3% to 22,584.18, while South Korea's Kospi inched down 0.2% to 2,297.62. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index advanced 0.6% to 28,533.38. Shanghai Composite Index jumped 1.3% to 2,781.06. Australia's S. Stocks in Taiwan and the Philippines were lower, but they were higher in Indonesia and New Zealand. Analysts take, looking at the rhetorical battle between the United States and China recently, it may appear that finding a clue to resolve the trade war is impossible, said Lee Sang-hoon, an analyst at Meritz Securities Co. in Seoul, South Korea. But rather than prolonging the trade conflicts, such heated rhetorical battle between the U.S. and China will likely lead to a resumption of negotiations before the U.S. midterm elections. Lee said the actual imposition of additional tariffs by the U.S. on Chinese products could be delayed, and concerns about higher consumer prices in the U.S. may discourage President Donald Trump's administration from imposing further tariffs. Trade spat. The U.S. and China both announced new tariffs. Later this month, each country will put a 25% tax on $16 billion in goods imported from the other. Both countries placed tariffs on $34 billion in imports earlier this month, and they have threatened much larger tariffs to come. The Trump administration plans to tax Chinese industrial products such as steam turbines and iron girders starting August 23. China's government said it will put tariffs on U.S. goods including cars, crude oil and scrap metal starting on the same date. Wall Street, U.S. stock markets finished lower on Wednesday, ending a four-day winning streak. PS. The Nasdaq Composite rose 4.66 points, or 0.1%, to 7,888.33. The Russell 2000 index of smaller stocks lost 1.42 points, or 0.1%, to 1,686.88. Oil prices of oil stabilized after a sharp fall in the previous session. Benchmark U.S. crude oil added 11 cents to $67.05 a barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. The contract plunged 3.2% to finish at $66.94 a barrel on Wednesday. Brent crude, the standard for international oil prices, gained 25 cents to $72.53 per barrel in London. It fell 3.2% to $72.28 a barrel in the previous session. Currencies. The dollar fell to 110 yen and 78 cents from 111 yen and 2 cents, while the euro rose to $1.1615 from $1.1610. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.